Today we are talking about cropping your video, a quick way to remove distractions, zoom in on the action, or make your footage the perfect shape for any platform. Once you're inside your project, find the clip you want to crop and tap it in the timeline. On the bottom toolbar, scroll until you find crop and tap it. You'll see a crop box on your video in the preview window. Drag the edges inward to cut out anything you don't want in the shot. You can also pinch to zoom in for a closer view and drag to reposition your subject exactly where you want them in the frame. If you want your video to fit perfectly on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, pick one of the preset aspect ratios: 16:9 for widescreen, 1:1 for square posts, or 9:16 for vertical videos. Once you're happy, tap preview to check how it looks. If everything's perfect, tap the check mark to lock it in, and that's how you crop a video in VN. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick VN video editor tricks.